Question number 9 of exercise 1.3. Classify the following numbers as rational or irrational. Students, here we are given some numbers. We have to classify them as rational number or irrational number. How to classify it? For that, you need to remember rational number has decimal expansion either terminating or non-terminating recurring, which means when we get terminating decimal expansion, which is not continuous, it ends after some digits, that is terminating, right? We have learned. What is non-terminating recurring? The decimal expansion is not terminating, it is not ending, it is continuous and recurring, which means the digits are repeating digits. Recurring means repeating. So if the decimal expansion is continuous and the digits are repeating, then it is said as non-terminating recurring. So if we have decimal expansion either terminating or non-terminating recurring, then it will be said as a rational number. What about irrational number? Irrational number has decimal expansion non-terminating, non-recurring. What does this mean? This means non-terminating is an example of a number irrational, okay, and non-recurring, which means the digits are not repeating. Do not be confused with this too. In rational number we have non-terminating recurring, which means it is continuous but the digits are repeating digits. What about irrational? Non-terminating, non-recurring, digits are not repeating digits. What is the meaning of non-terminating, non-recurring? The decimal expansion is continuous. It is not terminating. And the digits are non-recurring. Means they are not repeated. That is said as non-terminating, non-recurring. So if we have this type of decimal expansion, non-terminating, non-recurring, then it will be said as an irrational number. So students, keep these things in mind. First we have square root of 23. Now see, square root of 23 is the given number and we have to say whether it is a rational or irrational number. 23 is a prime number. Remember that square root of any prime number will have decimal expansion non-terminating, non-recurring. Okay, and in other way we can say that 23 is not a perfect square. So it will have non-terminating, non-recurring decimal expansion, and that is why it will be an irrational number. Okay, square root of any prime number will be irrational number. So we'll write, therefore, square root of 23 is an irrational number. Second, we have square root of 225. We know square root of 225, right? We know that 225 is equal to 15 into 15. That is 15 square. So, square root of 225 is equal to 15. Now, it is what? It is a rational number. 15 is a rational number. Therefore, we can say that 225 is a rational number. Number 3 is 0.3796. Now here decimal form is given. We have learned that if the decimal expansion is terminating, then it is a rational number. Here we are given terminating decimal expansion. It is not continuous. As it is terminating decimal, this number 0.3796 is a rational number. Number 4 is 7.478478 continuous. Here also we are given decimal form. See how it is. Here continuous dots are shown, which means this decimal expansion is not terminating. It is continuous, right? Also, you see the digits. After decimal point, we have 478, 478. So these digits are repeating digits, which means this decimal expansion is non-terminating recurring. It is not terminating, it is continuous, also recurring. Why? Because these digits are repeated. And we know that when the decimal expansion is non-terminating recurring, it is a rational number. So we'll write, therefore, it is a rational number. Number 5, we have 1.10101000100001 continuous. Now this is decimal form. Okay, how is it? We can see that it is continuous. It means it is non-terminating, right? What about recurring or non-recurring? We see here that this is 1 and then 1 0 we have. Here 1 and 2 zeros. 1, 3 zeros. 1, 4 zeros. Then 1, 5 zeros will come. Which means the digits are not repeating. First we had 1 0, then 2 zeros, then 3. Like this, the numbers of zeros are increasing, which means the digits are not repeating digits. So this decimal expansion is non-terminating, non-recurring. It is not terminated and the digits are not repeating. And we know when the number has decimal expansion of non-terminating, non-recurring, it is an irrational number. So we'll write, therefore, it is an irrational number. So this is your whole question number 9.